the leaf springs and the axle, etc. And I'm quite happy with what's been done at the moment, or up to date. I've also got a bigger camera card in this camera now, so it's not going to give out on me at a moment's notice. I should be able to say what I've got to say and finish the video without it just stopping on me. I'll just get down a bit low and then you can see the front. There you go. But that's it really. The next video should be in 2 or 3 weeks time, and I should have the axle on and the front wheels and the steering yokes in place. Might even have the steering wheel and the steering working, but we'll have to see. But, there you go, that's the second video of the Bugatti 35.